Let's talk about Cyclamatic GTE Pro step-through electric bike with lithium-ion battery. All Cyclamatic e-bikes are produced to meet the EN 15194 safety standard. Quick release battery and tilt saddle for easier recharging. Minimal assembly under 5 minutes. Quick change Shimano gears. Front and rear electric lights. 30 km range on normal terrain. Padded saddle. Quality Shimano gears for smooth ride. Upgraded fork brakes. Front suspension. Front and rear mud guards. No power assist, just cycle as you would on any normal bike. The Cyclamatic range comes with a full 12-month warranty against any faults or problems that may develop. Includes battery charger,